Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Go beyond mere vibrations in your conception of the divine. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Attain to the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hari. And I guess I will start with my favorite verse at the moment of the Bhagavad Gita, text 10. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam prete purvakam dadame bunde yogam tam yanamam upayandete. Unto them who are always engaged in rendering devotional service, in loving ecstasy, I give real intelligence, that is that by which they will come unto me, that they can come unto me. So Buddhi Yoga is, a very old type of intelligence yoga, but ultimate identity of the utmost unfortunate things is to let illusory influences keep you from external spiritual guidance. Devotional understanding is not mere philosophy. And just because the physical is a means for the spiritual, it doesn't mean it's illusory, or it doesn't count as the means of the spiritual. Just because material existence is the smallest portion, it doesn't mean humanity will ever know more than a small fraction of it. Distinguish between divine and servant of God. Nationalism and sectarianism is not the Vedic way, and all humanity started as the same religion and culture. Liberation is by leaving mere sensual life behind in a life of devotion. The light beings and the other creations only get their power, knowledge, and presence by God's command. God consciousness is to not intentionally express outside of what pure, uninvented scriptures teach. Don't identify with forms and roles as your ultimate identity. Attain to the company of real devotees. The societal goal is the unification of social orders. Love others through love of God. Be an example that reminds of God without necessarily even mentioning God. A secret of happiness is to accept death. To not be ready for death is to not deserve happiness. If we are only a mechanical animal, why can't we compose life, or at least composite life, and invent a soul by parts. Scripture is not speculation. Saying you have a different opinion than scholars is not the same as saying you are better than all those with such an opinion. The highest class is the servant of God. Priestly caste, warrior, ruler caste, merchant class, servant caste, outsider caste. It's, better than all of these. It matters not what is in the minority or majority in a path when it comes to deciding a path. Now, it's best that as many people as possible are practicing whatever is right, that are accepting whatever is right. But you can't guide merely by your efforts, but God may reward your efforts just as much. Prehistory is not to be known by speculation, but by facts of religion and scientific findings. Don't mourn chemical reactions, but don't let a spiritual opportunity slip by. Don't regulate religion to mere emotional nor sensual motivations if you can think of nothing else to serve God by. Don't worry. Chant. Life is about God realization. A lack of understanding of souls either leads to clinging or mental confusion of identity. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.